So I will be doing page 354, number 5. And the question is asking, the electrons in an old TV picture tube are accelerated through a potential difference of 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4 volts. So part A asks, do the electrons move from a region of high potential to a region of low potential or vice versa? So electrons move up gradient. So that's from a region of low potential to high potential, which should answer that question. The second part B, is asking, calculate the change in kinetic energy of one of the electrons. So we can write down our givens here. We know in the question they say that the potential is this number. We're talking about electrons here, so if you look at the back of the book, the charge of an electron is that, and now we just want to find the potential. So we can start and set up an equation here. We can write EK is equal to negative Q delta V. And then all we have to do is just sub in our values. So and just use a calculator and solve, and the answer should come up to be that. Part C asks, calculate the final speed of an electron when the initial speed is 0. So again, we can write down what we know as givens, and we can set up an equation and write that, we can write that EK is equal to 1/2 mv squared, and we can substitute our known values. So we have this value here, and all we do is we substitute that here. And we set that equal. Now the mass, I forgot to add here, the mass can be calculated, or it can be found in the back of the book. The back of the book says that for an electron it's 9.11 times 10 to the power of 31 kilograms. So all we have to do is add that in here. Velocity is what we're looking for, and all we do is rearrange. So we just multiply this by 2, divide by this amount, and then take the square root. Make sure when you're taking the square root it is the positive value, because negative velocity means that it would be in the opposite direction, and our answer should come up to be 9.4 times 10 to the power of 7 meters per second. That's it. Thanks for watching.